Now let's examine the document level type of global property, dynamic document properties. Dynamic document properties define and temporarily store additional pieces of information about a given document. They contain specific name-value pairs which follow the document through its execution. And unlike a process property, you cannot persist a document property value and remember its value for future process executions. Like dynamic process properties, a dynamic document property can be set in the setProperties shape, or in a map with the setDocumentPropertyMap function. Finally, a dynamic document property can be set using GroovyScript. To retrieve a dynamic document property, use the parameter typelist in most process shapes, or in a map via the getDocumentPropertyMap function, or with GroovyScript. We have looked at two different types of properties, so here is a chart that compares dynamic process properties with dynamic document properties.